Ever wondered if your trading platform could be a little kinder to your eyes, especially during those late-night analysis sessions? You're staring at charts, deciphering patterns, and the bright white interface of TradingView, while functional, might just be adding to the strain. It's a common scenario for many traders, and if you've been feeling it, you're not alone. TradingView is an indispensable tool for technical analysis, offering a wealth of features from real-time market data to sophisticated charting tools. But let's be honest, spending hours gazing at a predominantly light screen, especially in dimly lit environments, isn't ideal for eye comfort or even focus. Beyond the aesthetic preference, a darker interface can significantly reduce eye strain, improve readability of contrasting elements, and, for some, even enhance the perception of chart patterns. Think about it. When you're deeply engrossed in identifying subtle trends or critical support/resistance levels, anything that lessens visual fatigue is a win. So, what if I told you there's a simple, quick way to transform your TradingView experience, making it not only more comfortable but also, arguably, more professional looking? We're talking about switching to dark mode. It's a feature that's become increasingly popular across various applications for good reason, and TradingView is no exception. It's not just about changing a few colors, it's about creating an environment that supports prolonged screen time without the usual discomfort. Ready to give your eyes a break and your TradingView set up a sleek, new look? Let's dive into how you can easily switch to dark mode. First things first, open up your TradingView platform. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's your main menu icon. Give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. You'll want to scan through these until you spot the dark theme option. It's usually pretty clear and stands out. Now, here's the magic moment. Simply click on Dark Theme. Voila! Your entire TradingView interface will instantly transition from its bright default to a much more soothing dark palette. It's as simple as that. No complex settings to navigate, no hidden menus. Just a couple of clicks, and you've completely transformed your workspace. You'll notice how the charts, indicators, and text now stand out against a dark background, making everything feel a bit more integrated and less harsh on the eyes. If for any reason you want to switch back to the light theme, you just follow the exact same steps. The dark theme option will then be light theme. It's a toggle, making it super convenient to switch between modes whenever you desire. Experiment with it for a while. You might find that your focus improves, and those long analysis sessions become a little less taxing. It's a small change, but it can make a significant difference to your overall trading experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.